What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing tonight? It's Cash Flow Nexus giving you the latest and greatest updates with crypto and XRP with Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Hope everybody's doing well. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing tonight? How's everybody doing? Hit that like button, you guys. I appreciate that. And definitely, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, you guys. And if you're new, definitely tell me where you're from and where you're watching from. I like to know where you're from. Just, get feedback. And also, I appreciate you guys for joining me live tonight. I'm not going to lie. I am very tired tonight. But I've been fasting and praying tonight. What's up, Arkansas? I see you. What's up, XRP Carolina? How we doing, baby? What's up, lovely lady? How we doing? Nice to have you on here with us tonight, everybody. Appreciate you guys being on here. Yes, I've been fasting and praying today. Man, it's today. If y'all don't know, the election is not over yet. News just came in that Biden had some votes taken away, so he is not elected the president right now. So you guys definitely be watching because a lot of stuff is about to go down. I actually been telling people this was gonna happen, and I've been telling people that Trump is gonna be back in office, and I've been telling people that God really does want Trump in office for a reason. And a lot of people will disagree, and people may have their feelings and opinions about Trump, but the truth is what God has shown a lot of men and women of God that he wants Trump in office for a reason. And it's because Trump is actually holding back, keeping America from a darker agenda that's going on. Whether you believe it or not, you guys gotta really do your research and check it out. North Carolina, that's what's up. My uncle just came from South Carolina, so he's actually in town right now. So you guys, man. But anyway, y'all gotta understand what's going on and what's at stake when it comes to this whole global thing. When it comes to the elections, y'all have to understand that the Trump being in office is actually a blessing in disguise than most people realize. You may not know now, but after it's all said and done, everybody's gonna see what's going on behind the scenes. A lot's about to get exposed. A lot of people have seen the fraud that's been going on. It's coming to the surface, and the election was so-called won by being by cheating. Cheating is getting exposed right now, so y'all will see that happening very soon of everything that's going on. You say you're watching what's going on closely too. I know, man. You have to watch what's going on very closely, very very closely, you guys, because this is a lot of stuff is going crazy, especially in our time. What's up? What in the world? How you doing? You said, yes, sir. God has his hands and a hedge of protection on President Trump. Yes, he does. And you said stealing is a sin. Stealing is an election is no different. Exactly, especially when it's by fraud and by, manipulation. And manipulation is a form of witchcraft too. So, you got to understand that a lot of things is being manipulated right now. And a lot of things is about to come to the surface. So don't be surprised by what you hear on TV when the truth comes out. And you might not even hear it on TV because the TV is the biggest false prophet there is, giving you false information all the time. And you just got to be led by God's Spirit. I'm telling you guys, been saying this for a while, but a lot of things is about to come to the surface. And not MSM. Really. But man, I do have one scripture that I want to read to you guys that the Lord gave me before I start anything tonight. It's coming out of Psalms 46, all right, 10 and 11, all right. And it reads, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the heathen. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Selah." So the Lord gave me this scripture for this particular moment because You guys have to understand what he's about to do in America is going to be beyond comprehension. He's about to, people been in a place of doubt, people been in a place of hurt, people been in a place of searching for something greater, bigger than them, trying to figure it out. And God's about to extend his hands on America and show people that he is who he says he is. And he's about to show uh, people that don't believe uh, that he is who he says he is, and people are going to come to Christ. He's about to have men and women of God touch the souls that are lost right now and bring people to him in this season. So you guys be prepared for great things to come in the spirit, and God is about to move like never before. So don't miss it. Be watching, be vigilant in seeking God, because he's about to move in a mighty way. Not just that, he's also about to uplift his children that he's chosen and position them in places of power and authority that they need to be in, because the time that we're living in, he needs to have people building his kingdom at every single level, whether it be in Hollywood, whether it be in the hospitals, whether it be in the streets, whether it be in the financial world, whether it be in politics. God is putting people in different places and positioning people in certain places to get his will done, and he's going to have his kingdom shine on earth, because he's going to do a revival through these men and women of God. So don't miss this wave that's about to come. God's about to shine like never before, you guys. He's about to really show out, and people are gonna. And before when this election is truly done, you're gonna see the riots when Trump is back in office. You notice how they announced that Biden had won, right? There was no rioting then, right? Uh, a lot of people said that the Republicans and people that voted for Trump were going to riot if Trump didn't win, but there was no riots, right? So when this is what's going to happen now. When Trump is back in office, that's when the riots are going to happen. This is a vision that I had back then, and I said, okay, Lord, if this is for real, then show me. And many have seen and said the same thing that I've been saying, and it's going to come to pass, you guys. It's going to come to pass when the Lord, when Trump, when the Lord is doing stuff in this season. Don't be led by your feelings or emotions, because that's when you're gonna get caught up. What he's going to do with Trump is going to be different, and the reason why is because the way America has been. We're a Christian nation. We were built on Christian principles. So we are going to be, in a different, we are held at a different standard than most other countries, because other countries are either Buddhist or Muslim or nations. They don't believe in what we believe in America. It's not the same here as it is in other countries and places and nations. So when he's back in office, expect the rioting to happen, and it's going to come from Biden supporters, that they're going to be so enraged and so furious with Trump being back in office, and they think it's because he's such an evil man. It's all these things, but if you really truly look at everything, he's not a evil person. He does say stupid stuff. I will agree with that. But but the truth is, he's not an evil person as people think. And no, Trump is definitely not being controlled. And if you believe that for 1 second, you don't have spiritual eyes, because the reason why Trump is nothing like anybody else that has been in office, there has never been a time where people attacked a president as heavy as they attacked Trump. Trump is not a part of the so-called official elite. He was never supposed to run for office. He was not even a thought. They laughed at him even trying to get into office, for trying to even be a part of, politics. But boom, he stomped on their plans and everything. A lot of things that people are saying about this, they have no idea. If you can't see in the spirit, you should even be talking. You should be praying more than watching. You should be praying a lot more than watching, because a lot of things is about to be exposed and a lot of things is about to be done, and people don't understand that God really wanted Trump in office to keep people from what's about to happen to America, because God is he was going to pour his wrath out on America, because America was going to choose a King Saul. But this is what the Lord is going to give us 4 more years to repent and get it together. All right. Okay, let's see. What's up, Ronnie? Jeff? What's up, Francisco? How y'all doing tonight? I appreciate y'all being on here on this live stream. If y'all are enjoying this live stream so far, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll get into that soon, Ronnie, because I know, well, you should have been more specific. What exactly for what is happening next, and what in politics or in the charts? Because I could tell you both, but anyway, let's go on. You said I agree. This Jay Will off Twitter, but I asked just to have an open discussion. Oh, okay, I see. Got you. What's up, Zach? How you doing? God bless you, brother. It's been a minute since I seen you. Y'all, I'm not gonna front. I am so exhausted today, but I'm proud and happy, and I'm joyful for what the Lord's about to do. I really am. Let's see. You said the Lord is definitely using Trump, and when I share this with people, they attack me. Oh yeah, you're not the only one. Anybody that says anything about Trump gets attacked. And oh yeah, Zach, you seen my Facebook post? If you see my Facebook post, I'd be taking on like it literally be like in video games 1v10, 1v3, 1v100. It really be like that on my Facebook page. And Francisco, you could vouch too. Man, y'all see me go into battle against like 100 people on Facebook. I butcher them all the same. It don't matter to me. I'm David in the spirit. But anyway, you guys, I'm just keeping it 100. People need to wake up. People really need to wake up, because the time that we're living in it's not a time to play around and beat around the bush. It is not a time to play around and beat around the bush especially if you believe in God and you have a relationship, like you say. It is definitely not a time to play around, because a lot of things is going on, and Jesus is coming soon. If you can't see the signs, if you really can't see the signs, I have no idea what to say to you, because the signs is there and it's clear as day. But you guys got to understand that the Lord is preparing a lot of people for what's coming. I do see that he is going to be using, he's going to be putting provision out for the kingdom as well, because when that time comes, that a lot of Christians are going to be prosecuted. A lot of Christians are going to be attacked, and a lot of Christians are going to be, ridiculed for what's about to happen. But there's a lot that's going on. There's a lot that I could say about this. I'm just talking as the Lord is, just gave me this for a while now to say and speak on. But I definitely know that people need to wake up. Wake up if you haven't woken up already. And here's the thing, you guys, I know there's people that believe in conspiracy theories. There's no such thing as conspiracy theory. The reason why is because if you really could see into the spirit and you ask God to show you, there's actually, the thing is, there's witches out there that could see into the future too. Like you see the Simpsons TV show. The Simpsons TV show is run by witches. That's why they're able to predict things. There's a lot of people that, it's the pre-programming, the predictive programming that people talk about. That's all fake. It's because there's witches that could see into the spirit illegally through demonic activity. Just like God has prophets, the devil has witches and warlocks. So you gotta and wizards. So you gotta understand that there's a spiritual battle that people are being deceived left and right. And if you don't see that, man, you are in for a rude awakening when the Antichrist really shows up, because he apparently is going to be crazier than what's going on now. All right, Rodney, be right back. I see you. Be right back. What's up, Bobby Morse? How you doing? Hello, hello. Nope, it's not Obama, my friend. It's definitely not Obama. I don't. Nope, it's not Obama. If it was, it's gonna be somebody else. And this is why I say, you guys, stop trying to predict who the Antichrist is. Stop trying to predict everything. If you really want to predict everything, have a relationship with God. Stop trying to figure out everything on your own, because that's how you get fooled by the enemy, because the enemy will show you so many things, and God's trying to have you focus on him, and you're not focusing on him. But you have to look at it in God's perspective, in a spiritual perspective. What's up, Louis S? You said, I am impressed with your clear understanding of this situation we're in. Oh yeah. Bro, I talk to God a lot, so people don't think I talk to God, but people be surprised that he still does speak to people. And yeah, I have a very clear understanding of what's going on right now. And sometimes I'm like, man, why are you telling me this? But I say what he tells me and what he shows me, and I don't. I try not to get in my feelings about it. I try to observe the times that we're in and pay attention to what's going on, and go off of that. Because if you're led by your flesh, man, you're gonna be deceived so much. Really. Let me see. The media fueled Biden won and paraded him out as victor, and that's going to make the real results 1,000 times worse. I agree. You said you thought it would be because Satan was casted lightning. Casted means in Hebrew rock. Yeah, man. Yeah, I understand where you're coming from, Zach. It's a lot. I'm gonna say this: don't get caught up in social media, and just focus on your relationship with God. That's the most important thing. That's really the most important thing. Uh, you said how I've been. Oh, I've been good, man. I've been good. I just been fasting a lot and praying a lot. I have been spending a lot more time with God, so I haven't been able to do certain things, because I really need to hear from Him during this time. Because there's sometimes where I have to, get away from social media and get away from people to, just sit still and just hear God, just like everybody else, that's hearing Him in this season. But I had a crazy dream the other day. I don't even know how to explain it, but I was just engulfed around darkness is all I saw in the dream, but I don't know what that all meant. So I will be praying about that one. But man, there's a lot of stuff, man. There's so much. You said that's good to hear, bro. God is in control right now. He's always been in control. He's never lost control. He's the best mastermind and the greatest chess player there is. I'm just saying, I wouldn't want to play him against in chess. You already know the results. But that being said, you guys, I'm about to jump into this technical analysis on XRP. Now that I'm looking, I actually put a buy on XRP maybe 2 hours ago. Now it's in profit. But anyway, that being said, you guys, I'm excited about what the market's about to do. I'm not gonna be on here for too long. I'm probably gonna be on here for at least an hour. So I'm gonna go over XRP. I'm gonna go over Bitcoin, and I'm gonna go over No, I don't know about Ethereum. Maybe Ethereum, and I'll take 2 requests tonight. Yeah, I'll take 2 requests tonight after I finish those. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into XRP analysis. And if you guys are jumping on this live stream right now, smash that like button, you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you're liking what you see and hear so far. And share this live stream with people, you guys. Get everybody in on here. Try to get as many people as possible. Who knows? If I get some strength during this live stream, I'll go on longer. But man, I need some strength right now. He said, I will share so people can watch it later. Election night still had protests with demons. They don't want Trump or Biden. Yeah, I could believe that. Link, please. It looks bullish to me. Got you. Okay. I'm about to do this. Okay, so chain link, got you. Alright, so let me go ahead and jump into this TA for you guys. As you can see here, I'm gonna go into some detail here and do a little bit of education as well, just to keep y'all learning. I actually did a live stream early this morning. If you guys missed the live stream early this morning, it was about how to read the charts. I'm teaching how to read the charts a little bit. So if you want to learn how to read charts, definitely catch the morning live streams. And if you want to be a student to the game, hit the join button on YouTube and hit CloudLife. Or if you want to just be a member, period, hit the join button. The membership, the lowest membership is, I believe, $4.99, just to support the channel and to have the channel growing. I'm going to be doing exclusive content. So one of these days I'm going to do videos just for members only. So like right after I do a live stream, I'll jump into the next live stream right after I finish one and do a live stream for members only. So I'm gonna start doing that soon because I'm building up members for this channel. So I noticed that and I said, okay, well, I'm gonna have to definitely put out some content for members only. So I like that. So that being said, looking here at XRP currently, we are sitting inside the cloud. We are right above the Kijun, which is flat, and we have a bullish cross here. So price is looking bullish right now. It looks like we're about to bounce, have a Kijun bounce right here at this blue line here to the upside, just based off the daily chart. We still have 21 hours for this daily candle to close, so anything could really happen here. And if you notice here, we broke outside the P wave and then we came back, retested. Now we're pushing up higher right now. So my first projection for price is moving up to 31 cent to 33 cent level, and beyond that it's looking really good here. And once we get price above the cloud here, and then Chiku Span gets above the cloud, we're going to be off and we're going to jump into the 47 cent range and 50 cent range up here. So if I zoom out for you guys, and y'all could see these lines that are on my chart that are vertical, that are coming down, those are the days I expect the market to start, really pushing. Days of change, the advanced version of this trading method, Ichimoku, use the time theory. So these are time cycles that you see here on the bottom, where days, it predicts like the day that the market will change direction or change in momentum. So this is why I have these lines here. This is what I used to do, but I'm bringing it back because I noticed how effective it was. So I am going to start bringing that back. But looking here let's see, given the information that we have, if we have the same bull run that we had back in 2016 to 17, like towards the end of 2017, I mean, what we'll see here is a good, push to like the $3 range up in here if we get something like that. Once we get past all the crazy, the crazy hard levels of support that we had back in the past, which was like the 32 cent level, and the next level will be at the 50 cent level. So once we get past those levels, we'll easily see 80 cents and above, just based off, looking at the time frame here. So what's the time frame we could possibly see that in? So if we're looking at the time theory and the January, let's see, around January 1st, looking at the time theory, we could definitely be back up in high prices depending on how this market wants to treat us. It's all going to come down to supply and demand. If you guys saw that SBI news, I did a video on that. So if you guys want to check out that video, that XRP is going to be not just the banker coin, but it's also going to be the gamer coin. So XRP is going to be used by gamers as well. Japanese gamers are already getting paid in XRP. So this is a huge thing. So if you are a gamer that's watching this channel, tell all your gamer friends to subscribe to this channel, because I will be covering gaming content as well that's going to be, affected by XRP. So it is interesting how this market is going to be, but XRP is going to be a gamer coin, not just a banker coin as well. So that's going to be interesting in the near future. Looking here on the 4-hour chart, I did on my live stream earlier, I did go over some analysis on XRP. I did say we'll get a bounce here, and we are moving up right now. And you see that the sequence span A is angling up right now. And I said that this would happen here. So that's a good sign. We had a tweezer bottom right here. So price is moving up now. The next level that we need to get above would be right here at 25 cents, 734. But right now, I'm very confident to put a buy position, another buy position on XRP right now. Another reason why I'm pretty confident here, if you see that the market is making like a W formation right now. You see that? So we could get this W formation to the upside right now that's currently going on. That's what I'm leaning towards right now. I see that it's very possible for this to happen. If not, we're going to range a little bit more and then hit the cloud, then move up. So those are the two scenarios that I see right now, but I'm still leaning for the market moving higher. And last but not least, on the hour charts, let's see, hour chart, we have some level of support, resistance right here, but we're about to get a TK cross, and price is currently above the Kijun-sen, which is showing us that we could definitely move higher from here, from the support. So we're going straight into resistance right now. We'll see how price fares here. And earlier, now that I see this current market, let me show you guys what I currently see. The market is actually making another P wave right here. So price is about to break outside this triangle here. So we'll see how price fares here, but I'm believing that it's going to break this triangle. And then, given the momentum, let's check out the RCI real quick just to see. RCI is a little bearish on the 1 hour, but that's fine. Let's see what the 4 hour is saying. A little bearish on the 4 hour as well. And then on the daily chart, it is bullish. And let's see the weekly time frame. Weekly chart is bullish as well. So overall, I have to give it a bullish momentum and thumbs up, because the RCI is still saying that the momentum is still in favor of the bulls right now, according to the higher time frames. And then here, looking at the weekly chart, we see what's going on. Price has just been moving sideways as well. So we should see some movement towards the end of the year as well, if not sooner. If we don't get any movement this month, we'll definitely get some movement towards December 28th, which is why I have this here. And the reason why is because price should definitely start breaking outside the cloud here. So we'll see how price fares. Hopefully we start moving up higher, and let's say by the middle of December, let's say by December 14th, we'll start to be outside the cloud, like right up here, and then we'll start taking off. That's what I'm hoping for, a good Christmas, So we'll see. I'm looking at December being a really strong month for XRP. All right. So let me see what the chat is saying. Let me see what your guys' thoughts are. Let's see. I appreciate you, Jeff, for sharing on Twitter. I appreciate that a lot. Let's see. You said funny, bro, because my boy bought XRP and he's a chart guy and watched 2 of your videos and he loved your analysis. That's awesome, man. I'm glad that he likes my analysis. Appreciate that. Tell your friend Greg he needs to come out here more to the channel. Civic CVZ. Okay, I'll check that out. I'll check that one out. So let me write these down before I forget. So Chainlink, I'm gonna do. Oh, I don't even have my pencil up. Okay, Chainlink. So Chain, CVC, and the last one I'll look at. You know what? Actually, I'll do this since I'm feeling a little better right now. I'll do this. I'll look at all these. I'm gonna just look at Bitcoin next, and then I'm gonna go into the requests that y'all have. All right. So I'll look at Casino Coin too, see what happened to Casino Coin. But Casino Coin looks bad from what I last saw. I've been hearing bad things about Casino Coin, so I'll look at that, and I'll go. So I'll look at after I look at Bitcoin, I look at Chainlink, VC, oh my God, CVC, and then Casino Coin, and then Algo. Or actually, I should look at Algo first because it's actually on here. So we'll see. Let's see. I mean, I'm still very bullish, but I don't know what's gonna happen anymore. I'm just gonna let it roll. I don't blame you. Yeah, yeah. At this point, it's you. Honestly, it's really anybody's game if we want to be real. But there was a video that was educating people on how markets are manipulated. I was gonna share that on Twitter, but I forgot. So when I find that video, I'll share that. But you guys, all financial markets are manipulated. Don't care what your favorite, I don't care what your favorite CEO says. I don't care what Brad Garlinghouse says. I don't care what David Schwartz says. I don't care what Chris Larson says. I don't care what none of them guys say. They say this because they already have money. They're already doing well. They're gonna tell you what they want to hear, what you want to hear. The markets are the most manipulated thing, and it does not matter what they say. They don't even trade. If you guys got to understand, these financial markets are the most rigged thing in the world, honestly. And it comes down to national power. That's all that's all trading is financial control and dominance. But if you understand economics, you understand charts has a major role in how the world is affected. But people don't want to accept that. It is what it is, right? So let me jump on Bitcoin, and then I'll go into Chainlink and the rest. Let me see. Wow, why is it not coming up? Why my chart is not coming up, you guys? This is weird. I have never had this happen before. Wow, it is not coming up at all. Like, you see this? Nothing is coming up. Wow. Okay, you guys, I don't think I could even analyze Bitcoin apparently because it's not even coming up on my chart. Let me see if I could pull it up here. Bitcoin versus US dollar. Try to figure out which one that I have as my main chart. Was it Bybit? Let's go Coinbase. All right, this is definitely not my chart, but I can't even pull up my chart because it's not letting me. But anyway, that's fine. I'll just use this from scratch and go from there. It don't hurt nothing. But I just can't get to the other charts to analyze, which is very strange for some reason. So we will make this work. Currently, let's go back and let's backtrack and see what's going on here. So looking at the market, last time I analyzed this, I said Bitcoin was gonna go up. Wow, it's currently at 15,400. Wow, that's crazy. I said that last time when I saw this that it was gonna reach up to 16,000, and we're right around the corner from 16,000. I'll show you guys how I got 16,000 in a second. Let me just pull out my Fibonacci Fibonacci extensions. I'll show you guys. So from this point to that point. Let's see. Nope, that wasn't even it either. Right there. Let me actually drag this down a little bit. Actually, it wasn't even on the weekly chart. It was actually on the daily chart. That's why it looks crazy to me. All right, here we go. Ooh, I was actually getting confused for a second. Like, hold on, something is not right here. All right, here we go. So I had it right from this point. Yeah, from this point. Yeah, you guys, I don't know what's going on with the chart right now. It is acting funny. Or was it? Hold on a second. This is why I don't like changing charts, because once I lose track of what I want to do, I forget, and I'm trying to remember what exactly did I put. Where did I put these? Where did I put these? What's it called? Where did I put these targets at? So this is not it, but I'm trying to figure out where did I put it, because this chart is similar to the last one, but it's not exactly the chart that I'm looking for. But I'll make it work anyway. I believe it was here. I really believe it was somewhere in here. Let me go ahead and change that. Give me a moment, you guys. Let me brainstorm for a second. My brain is like saying, what is going on? All right, let me see. Here it is. All right, here we go, right here. Because I was like, wait a minute. You guys, sometimes when you look at these charts, you got to backtrack, like, what did I do? Because I'm trying to memorize what I did on the last chart. But I know I got, the price targets up in here at 16,000 and above. Okay, so these are my targets. I said that it'll get back to its all-time high, and I'm going to go back to the weekly chart and show you guys how I got that. Let's see, right here. Right here was the all-time high. Well, not the exact all-time high, but close to the all-time high. And the all-time high was at 20K. So let me fix this. On this chart, it said it didn't even hit 20K. It got close to 20K, which is very interesting. But anyway, so these were my targets here that I have it going to as well. I'm also going to make this visible on the weekly chart so you all can see this as well. Let me see. This thing is acting up today, I see. Anyway, we're going to make it work anyway. So here's where I have my targets based off the daily chart. You guys, I still have, Bitcoin moving higher. Also depending on what happens here, because this weekly candle is going to be very important for the next move. Even though you see that it's strongly bullish here. And the reason why I wanted to use my other chart is because I wanted to show you guys the breakout. So I'm actually going to have to redraw it for you guys and show you what actually happened here. So we had this breakout here that happened. Let me actually do that right here. This was the breakout that happened on the weekly chart. We broke out this giant P wave. And everybody that trades Ichimoku knows once you break out a P wave, that's a huge move, especially depending on the time frame. Honestly, if Bitcoin actually keeps up this momentum, it could actually get into the 30K zone. But first, I'm looking at it going back to its all-time high in this 16K first, then all-time high, and then if it breaks the all-time high, it's got to break to the 30K level or get close to going towards that, 30K level. So that's how I got Bitcoin's price. People think I'm crazy, but I've been pretty accurate with these calls when it comes to the crypto space. I'm just trying to capitalize just like everybody else. But currently, let's figure out what the market's trying to do currently, because the market is having a battle here on the smaller time frames. I'll show you here. I'm actually going to use this horizontal ray. So right here, that's the highest point. This is our low point. So right now, price is actually just staying inside this range here. It's not really going any higher or lower. We did get a bounce here off the Kijun, which is our blue line for those that don't know. So we did get a bounce here, and price is trying to move higher. We have a bullish cloud, and price is definitely making that bullish run. The only thing is, for now, if we're gonna move higher at this point, price needs to break that $15,962 price mark. So once again, it needs to break that 15,962 price mark. So once we break that level, then we'll see prices go higher. So I am watching that carefully. I am definitely trying to understand what's going to be the minds of the people that are trading in this market. You want to trade with the big money. You don't want to trade against it, because the big money is what moves the market. So if you're trading against it, then good luck. You ain't gonna push nothing too much. And then coming down to the 1 hour time frame, we are still bullish here. We're about to get a bullish cross, and price is bouncing off the Kumo clouds. From what I taught you guys earlier on the live stream, we are doing a bounce here off the clouds, so we might actually get a move back to the upside here. And I'm actually seeing price move at least back up here to resistance, depending on how it acts and responds at resistance. That's what I'll go off of. If we break this red line and go higher, that's when I'll say price will start moving back up to the 16K range and beyond. So that's what I have for Bitcoin. What's your thoughts, you guys, on Bitcoin? Do you agree or disagree? Do you think Bitcoin's going to tank? Do you think Bitcoin's going to go up? Tell me your thoughts on Bitcoin. You said you broke it. I broke it. Hey, I'm Neo. I just broke the matrix. You said just refresh on the browser. That's what I was trying to avoid doing. I didn't want to refresh the browser, because I know when I do a live stream, refreshing slows down the computer. So that's why I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know. You said, what's up, Black Stuntman? How you doing? Let's see. You said, God bless everyone here. Did you hear about the quantum voting watermark conspiracy theory that Charles... yeah, I did hear about that. And that's something that people are talking about a lot on social media. But we will see. We will hear about it. And if it's true, we'll hear about it very soon in the media. Like the truth. But it has a high chance of being true, because if you don't know, Biden's votes got taken away because there was some foul play going on. So... And then I'm trying to think, was it Georgia or Pennsylvania? I don't remember. But I don't want to say nothing wrong, so I'm not going to say nothing. But from what I last read, he did have some votes taken away. So the election is still running. He's actually down to 259 from what I checked. So we'll see. We shall see. You said, so will the 6 trillion from the FX market go to XRP market cap? You know what, Jeff? I really believe that's the case. I actually was saying this a long time ago that, oh my god, I was saying a long time ago that XRP will be a $1 trillion market cap. I really said that, and people laughed. People said, no. What's up, Digital the Source? I just realized that was your name. I was like, who is that? But yeah, I just, I do believe that's going to be the case that happens. I really do. Now, what happens after that, that'll be interesting. I still think XRP is going to be a 4-digit price. I still think it's going to hit the thousands. I still think it's going to, people laughed at the idea of XRP hitting 50K, but the only reason why it's funny, because I said maybe I saw the vision wrong. I don't know, but I did see 50K XRP and I see it glitch, and I laughed. I said, well, maybe that's what I saw, because sometimes you don't understand everything that you see in the spirit, but you understand what you understand what you see at that point. And when people said, when I said 50K XRP and then it glitched to 50K, people's like, what? It shook people up a little bit. But I don't know. It'll be interesting. I would like to see a 50K XRP overall, but we'll see. I still think Bitcoin's going to fail in the long term, but it hasn't proven otherwise, but we shall see. You said it looks like everyone agrees with you on Bitcoin. Well, hey man, Bitcoin is not my fan favorite. It's not a favorite coin of mine, but I do recognize that it is, making some substantial gains. I do recognize that. You said, bro, if that's the case, then look at it now with the current market and add 6 trillion, it will hit 4 digits. Well, what's his name? David Schwartz did say it's going to be, watch the next Ethereum. or said he said something along those lines. I don't know verbatim what he said, but he said something along those lines. So I found it interesting. I said, yeah, interesting. And you know, if you remember Ethereum's chart, it went from like, where did it go from? Like 100 to 1,000 something. But oh, it looks like my charts are still dead. Man, my charts are. I guess I have to refresh. I hope it doesn't slow down the stream. Let me see. Because I know how these charts, you know, this web stream, this live streaming affects computers. That's why I'm trying to get a better computer with the better ping and all that. So eventually I'll get one, but not now. I have to save up money for that. My charts, okay. My charts are back to life. Okay, cool. So that refresh helped. All right. So I don't like that Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin chart that I have. Y'all see this? This is my Bitcoin chart. I already have it marked up perfectly. So that other Bitcoin chart doesn't look all the same. It's just slightly different in some areas. But anyway, I still have this going up regardless. Still have it going up. Let me see. So according to this, oh, that's in 3 days. Huh. Yeah, that's in 3 days. So according to this, according to my time theory analysis, it's saying that Bitcoin will make its next move on November 12th. All right. So you guys, November 12th. That's when Bitcoin's gonna make its move according to my time cycle analysis. We will see. If you see here the time cycles that I have, the numbers down here in the bottom. This is why I use the clouds. It says on day 42, market was gonna make a decision. You see the market moved up after day 42, or a few days after day 42 went up. Here the market came down on day 51, bounced off the cloud, moved up. Now we're getting closer to day 65, which will be November 12th. So November 12th is when I'm expecting the market to make its real move. Maybe it might not be the same day. Maybe it might be a day or two after. But around this area, I'm expecting the market to make its move. So we shall see there what happens in the next 3 days. I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited. If Bitcoin goes up, everything's going up, according to Chris Larson. But we shall see. Now I'm going to go. I'm not gonna do Ethereum. I'm not a fan of Ethereum, so I actually am, but not really. So I'm gonna do Chainlink. Let's see, Chainlink. Ooh, Chainlink looks pretty good right now. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. Chainlink looks like a good buy right now. Yeah, it looks like a really good buy right now. Let me see. I need to get rid of some stuff because there's a lot of noise on my computer. I mean, on my screen for charting. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this one completely, even though I have all the analysis here that I wanted. And if you guys watched the last 2 or 3 live streams, I said that it was gonna crash down. Look what had happened. It crashed down for 7%. Didn't move back up. So you guys, I don't know why y'all haven't became students yet. Y'all would have been making so much money by yourselves. I know some of my students have quadrupled their account already. Some have doubled their account just by themselves, and I'm not taking any. I'm not taking anything away from them. They earned it. They did it by themselves. And I'm very happy that God has blessed me with the ability to teach other people. Because the knowledge that I earned over the years, man, definitely some knowledge over the years that I had to really learn this trading business and how to read these charts. But anyway, looking here, I'm not gonna keep this one too long. I'm gonna go through. I could break this down in like 30 seconds if I really wanted to, but looking here, I'm gonna go show you the fast version of how to analyze this. Everything's flat here, so no, there's nothing to look at here. Now there's a chance that the market could go higher. We have this angling up. This is free. This is flat. So, and then this angling up. So that's good. The last part of this analysis will be on the 1 hour. It's about to break out this P wave. If you see here, boom, and boom. So what's going to happen now is we're going to either get a break here to the upside or bounce down. So right now I'm looking at the market having a chance to move to the upside. Just based off the daily, we're above the cloud. We'll probably get back up to here at, let's see what price. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. You guys, I could really break down like 10 charts in like 3 minutes if I wanted to. But the only reason why I take my time on these charts because I want y'all to get the education behind it and also learn as I'm speaking. Because I could look at 10 charts in 3 minutes and be done. That's usually how I look at the market anyway, to know what I'm looking for and be done for the day. Because the truth is, when you're trading, you want to make your time efficient, not drag out a long analysis. But anyway, like I was saying, we could look at price moving up to the $14.03 level here, and a break there will take us a lot higher. So we will be looking at that. And another reason why price could definitely go a lot higher, if you look here, we have a even bigger P wave in the mix. Oh, right about here. So once price breaks outside this wave, that's a wrap. So this thing could go sky high right now. If I'm gonna look at like potential targets, let's see, potential targets. Let me go ahead and do this. I think I might want to do it right. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it on the 4 hour. Yeah, this, see here, it looks a lot cleaner to catch it. All right. So there's a P wave within a P wave. That's funny. But anyway, let me show you where the targets that I would look for would be at for this market. So these will be potential targets, especially if we break to the upside here, which looks very likely right now to happen. You guys, I'm not trying to hype this. I would actually buy Chainlink right now. Like, I'm serious. I'm not trying to like make nothing up. I would, like, right now, once this 4 hour candle closes, I would buy Chainlink right now, just based off what I'm seeing. But I want to confirm that. That's why I'm not trying to jump the gun here. I want to see how that 4 hour candle closes, because it's looking really strong right now for a long-term buy off the 4 hour chart and the daily. But it has an hour and 6 minutes before it closes, so I'll be patient if I were you. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Once it breaks, first target that I would honestly have would be here at the high point right here at $13.63. After it breaks that level, then I look for price going to, excuse me, if it does break this level, I'll look for price going to $15.05, $15.36, $16.21, and then $17.72. That's where I see price going. So if it does manage to make that jump all the way to that high, that's a 38% gain right there, which will be beautiful. So if you guys remember me, make sure you send me that consulting fee. All right. God bless. I'm just playing. But anyway, that's what I see for Chainlink right now. So if you are a Chainlink holder, you might want to think about getting some more. Let me check out these comments, see what y'all are saying. Okay, let's see. Okay, you said I meant on your analysis for XRP because you asked for the comments, but nobody spoke up. Okay, got you. You said I'm in it. I'll tell you now. Put a Ethernet cord to your computer. It will help. Okay, I'll definitely consider that. Yes, lovely lady became a student today, so I'm excited for her. She's going to make a killing in these markets when she learns how to destroy these markets. Class is tomorrow, by the way, so if class is at 2 p.m. CST, so jump in the classroom when I put out the Zoom link. You confirm my thought on Link. Awesome. Link has been beautiful the last few days. Well, it's about to be real beautiful right now. It's about to be real beautiful right now, especially if it goes the way I'm seeing it right now. RCI saying it's bullish on the 4 hour, and let's see the daily too, and let's see the weekly and the week. Oh wow, oh wow. Yeah, it's extremely bullish on the weekly. So yeah, this thing might actually go to actually new highs. Ooh, I didn't even notice that on the weeklies. I might actually, you know what? I might actually throw something in on this one myself. But most of my bag is gonna be with XRP, so I'm not really, tripping. Okay, guys. So let's go to the next one, which will be Algo, and then I'll jump into the other charts on the other platform. Algo. So right here, the last time I checked Algo, I said it was gonna drop. And it dropped, but it never got down to my target. So I'm not gonna complain. It dropped, but it never got down to my target, which was 21 cents, which is fine. I'll take that. Let's see the 4 hour. See how close it got to my target, man. So close. But it's all good. You can't win them all, right? But anyway, let's go with what we're seeing here. Let me go back to the. Actually, I need to delete this. This is gonna confuse me. And I'm gonna keep this here. Yeah, I'll keep this here. So immediately, I'll say that this is still a overall bearish market, just because everything is pointing down here. Coming to the 4 hour, we are getting a little bit of signs of bullish momentum, but we have this cluster right here of junk, which is messing us up. We do have a bounce off this cloud. The only thing that we need here is for price to move higher and break. We need Chiku Span to break higher and get past the cloud here. We do have a bullish Kumo bounce, so that is a good sign for Algo. And then also the cloud, the Chiku Span is also angling up while the span B is flat. So this is gonna be interesting right now. Looking at the 1 hour charts, we have another P wave here for this market as well. But I would be very cautious with this one because we are still very much in bearish territory according to the daily chart. So this could turn into a bearish P wave very fast. Let me take the cloud off here. Like we could get a bounce off the top of this and then move lower and then come back down to the 21 cent level. So we could get that as well. Let me see. Because we are starting to form a bearish. Well, let me see. Let me zoom in closer. Yeah, we're starting to form a bearish cloud here. So what I'm going to say, I would actually wait for the next 3 hours to confirm this market. I don't want to pre-jump on this market just yet. Only reason why is because when you look at this market, it does have a chance of going bullish because this cloud is thin and it could easily, go up. But we're also in a TK's cross area. The only thing that's keeping me back is this support, this resistance level here, and this major level of resistance on the daily chart. That's what's keeping me back right now, is that, because I don't see this market. This market is very weak right now, very, very weak. But we shall see, because if we get like an explosion out of nowhere, no, I can't predict the explosion out of nowhere, but just given the data that we have now, I can lean to the Bulls winning this only because the 4 hour chart. That's the only reason. And then we might see a change on the lower chart. So right now, I'll just say that Algo has a chance of going up until it breaks outside this wave. So until it breaks outside this triangle, then that's when I'll start to look for a position. And I'll put my entry here. If price gets to this level, that's when I'll start buying. So price needs to hit at least 27 cents, 318 in my taste to even have a chance of going higher. So if you guys want to invest in Algo, I wouldn't touch Algo until it hits that exact price or until it exceeds that price. So that's my opinion on that. So let me know what you guys think about that one, and I'm going to jump into the comment section just to see what you guys are chatting. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, I needed that water actually. But yeah, from looking at it, a lot of these pairs look like they want to explode a little bit, or at least move up, or try to move up. You said you just traded your algo for Link. Nice. Let me see. You said set reminders. I longed at 10.4 to $11.60. Then got back in at 12. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Yeah. How did that go for you, Francisco? Did you like that? Did it go well for you? Because it sounds like it did. From based off also what you showed me too, it looks like you did really well. Okay, so now I'm going to look at Casino Coin, and after Casino Coin, then I'll finish off with the next one that was on the list was CVC. So I'm gonna look at CVC first. So CVC first, and then I'll look at the others. Whoa, dang, CVC is on steroids. Shoot. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. How come you didn't tell me about this, man? You could have told me about this a week ago. Man, if you told me about this a week ago, you gotta be kidding me. I would have got in here at 3 cents and it jumped all the way to what? Man, Carolina, man, you slipping. You didn't even tell me about this. Man, that was a 410%. No, there's no way I would have missed this trade. Had you told me about this one, I would have told everybody buy here. And I just need to figure out what happened here to... Dang. I am heartbroken. I could have bought like a million of these coins and been out right here just because. All right, well, let me go ahead and check this, do analysis, because this one... Let me see. Well, it has a new all-time high, so I know where to put my resistance at right here. So all-time high is sitting at 16 cents. All right, sweet. All right, so let's go ahead and dabble into this one because this one's actually looking interesting. So we're gonna have to go down to the 4-hour chart to get a... Oh man. You know what? This actually might continue to go up. Okay, so if my students are on here, they know what I mean by this. The reason why this can continue to go up because Siku span A and B are both angling up. Chiku spans free and up. The Tinkinson and the Kijinsen are close together, also angling up, which means this is very strong momentum right here. So this could still go up. I just need to see what the 1-hour chart looks like. If this blue line is flat on the 1 hour, might have to hold that. Yep, like I said, the blue line on the 1-hour chart is flat. So it is very strong right now. I'm not going to lie. It's very strong right now. We had a bounce here. So, okay. XRP Carolina, since you did ask about this one, if you're going to invest any more into this pair, do it right here when it breaks the 16 cent level. Once it breaks 16 cent 19, this is where I would look to enter the market. Have an alert right here. Let me put a tab here. Let me put a bubble and a tab. Dang, whoever got in on this, man, they made some serious loot. XRP better do something like that, if not more. I'm telling you, I'm just saying. Let's see, right there. Right there, I'm just leave it. Let me go ahead and put a note here. And we'll go out from there. Let me see. All right, so this is what I see. I wouldn't touch this yet until it breaks this level. That's how you would play it safe. The reason why is because this blue line's flat. That's why I said, you know, this looks very good for long-term momentum going up. But if this blue line's flat on the hour, I said, nope, slow your roll. So until it breaks here, that's when I'll go in. All right. Once it breaks this level, go in. I would say go all in if that's the case because it's looking juicy. That's what I see for CVC. And I'll finish off with Casino Coin. Excuse me. Let's see. Casino Coin. Casino Coin is trash right now. Dang. Poor Casino Coin. Last time we looked at Casino Coin, I said if it breaks this line, will move lower. Broke this line. Definitely moved a lot lower. I don't even know if I should even pay attention to Casino Coin right now. Let me check that daily though. Daily chart. Yeah, poor Casino Coin. You know what? I have to change my analysis. I thought it was gonna survive, but this thing looks like it's going to zero from what the looks of it, or close to zero. Let me see, because I really thought it was going to explode from this point, but that changes everything, you guys. So this was, I wouldn't say this is a loss because I did say it would go, you know, I said it go up as soon as it broke here, but I had this going down first before going up, but dang, this is depressing. I've seen a lot of Casino Coin holders upset on on Twitter, and this is my first time in a while looking at Casino Coin, so let's start this fresh. Yeah, Casino Coin looks doomed. Well, dang, it looks super doomed on the weekly chart. You can even see the candles on the weekly chart. That's how bad this chart is. It's gonna be a minute. Okay, there we go. See, yeah, Casino Coin is doomed. All right. See, I couldn't see this before, but you have to zoom in like super tight to get this analysis. Super tight. Let me check this real quick because this is very interesting. All right. So, looking here at Casino Coin on the weekly, this thing is doomed right now. Like, when I say doomed, oh my goodness. All right. So, right here, we already broken support. Well, actually, we're right on support right here. So support is at, I don't even know how to say this number because that's so low. It's like way below negative. Well, not negative. Way below zero. So dang, that's just wow. Anyway, let me see. Okay. So anyway, let me go ahead. We are sitting right at support. So if we break this, Casino Coin is gonna see some way lower prices. Span A and B are both pointed down. The Kijinsen's pointing down. Tinkerson's pointing down. The Chiku span's pointing down and is about to break support. Yeah, this is not looking good for Casino Coin. Daily chart shows that we're about to break it too right now. Depending on how price responds here, it has a chance to survive. A very small chance, but you know, because there is a indecision candle that's happening currently, but we still have like about 21 hours until this daily candle closes anyway, so that's not much to go off of. You see here on the 4-hour chart it is pushing up, but that's still not enough. So we might get a pullback and then a push back down to the downside because this is looking very weak right now. Very weak. You know what? I'm not even going to watch this market for a minute. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just keep it like this for now. I'm going to have the market moving sideways for a while longer. Reason why is because price is far away from the cloud. So price may want to drift closer to the cloud and move sideways until it gets closer to the cloud. Then the cloud's going to either get weak or it's going to get strong and then bounce and break to the downside. So let's see. So tomorrow by Let's see. Tomorrow by this time, we should see where the market's at. If it's, I want to say about here, we should see if the market's going to range and stay into here, or if it's going to break higher and then dip. I want to see how the market's going to look by this time tomorrow. All right. So that's what I have for casino coin. I'm not, it's looking pretty bad, but I don't know. Oh snap! What's up, Eric? You joined CloudLife, man. God bless you, man. Everybody say, welcome, Eric, to being a new member to CloudLife. And since you just joined CloudLife, I'm gonna put you in the student Discord. CloudLife is for the student Discord. I appreciate you, Eric, for being a part of this live stream as well and joining CloudLife. So, God bless, man. But Casino Coin is looking very bad, and XRP Carolina, yes, man, you're welcome. Super welcome to you, brother. You said they added 25 billion to supply to keep from going to zero. Dang, man, if that's the case, man, if they keep adding, that might be bad. It might go to zero. I'm just saying, this really might go to zero. Eric, if you go to the community tab, go to the just for you. This is actually just for CloudLife members. Only CloudLife members could see the invisible link. There's a link to the student Discord. Click on it and it'll send you to the student Discord. And then hit me up on Twitter and I'll send you the information to start your trading. Like if you want to start day trading, I'll send you some sessions. But we have class tomorrow, so do not miss class tomorrow. Just letting you know. Lisa. Let's see. I bought a few thousand way back. Thought it was an interesting. Yeah, it honestly is an interesting project. I just don't see why it's doing so bad. It's doing very bad. CVC went live on Coinbase. It got listed on. Wow, that's probably why. Net Coinbase pump. That's funny. Just found out about it today. Okay, I'm just catching up with the comments. All right, cool. All right, so you guys, you know what? I'll do one more. If you guys want to request one more chart, whoever hits it first, that's who's getting it. But whoever has a request and says it, that's the first one I'm gonna do, and that's the one I'm gonna end on. that was so quick. Y'all were racing to the finish. All right, so RSR. All right, bet. RSR. All right, so here is RSR. Oh, actually, I looked at RSR before, huh? What did I say for RSR? When's the last time I looked at RSR? Let me go back in time, because I haven't looked at this one in a long time. Okay, so wow, I haven't looked at it since here. Okay, wow, that's a while. So last time I looked at it, so it hit 2 targets out of 4. Because the ultimate target that I had it going down to was here. So it hit 2 targets out of 4. So that's not bad. And it reversed right on the second target and went up. So that was pretty accurate of a call. Because I haven't looked at this one in a long time. The last one was about around here. Yeah, this was the last time I looked at it, which was October 19th. So it's been a minute since I last looked at it. But it didn't hit my last target, which I thought it was going to drop 20%. It ended up dropping... I'll still take that as a win. It ended up dropping 16%. So that's a win in my book. It hit take profit 2, target 2. So that's a win in my book. So let's go ahead and look at it without everything. Let's start from scratch now. It's been a minute since I looked at this. All right, so let's take a look here. Let me take this off right now because I see something interesting. I see a potential wave. Yeah, there's a potential P wave here. So we actually could get a break to the upside now. But it might not even be long lived just because there's so much cloud here. Oh, let me see. Let me zoom in on this one because this is gonna be a very unique one. You know what? There is actually something I don't like here. So to all my students and anybody that's wanting to learn how to trade, this is not a good sign. This is actually saying that we could get a reversal right here. Bears might enter the market here just because of this one candle. This is a strong indecision candle too. It's like pretty much non-existent. So this is actually, honestly, it's really saying that it's anybody's game. But looking at the market, it's looking like the Bears might want to take this one. But I can't jump the gun yet. I have to jump down to the 4 hour chart to confirm in the hour too. So let's go ahead and look. 4 hours saying, actually, you know what? 4 hours actually saying we might go bullish. And remember what I said last time? Isn't this coin against inflation correct? Somebody, if anybody knows about our this one, this is the inflation coin, correct? Because if this is the case, this actually might go up because to combat against inflation that's about to happen. The reason why this span A is pointing up, this is flat. Kijun's up, this is angled up as well. The only thing that needs to happen for this to be a confirmed bull market, it needs to break this high right here. That'll confirm the bull market. Once this is broken, bull market is confirmed. All right. But right now, I'm not gonna jump the gun because it has not happened yet, and I can't use RCI here, so I can't gauge the momentum. Here's another P wave, which is funny. The market is just printing a lot of P waves today. About right there. I'm actually gonna turn this line green. Here we go. All right, there we go. So yes, this is a P wave that is forming right now. So yeah, price. Honestly, we might be able to buy in earlier, but safely, I would rather the market break here and then go up. So this is looking bullish as well. We just had a bullish TK cross. I would say it's going to be bullish. So I would buy this. At least you'll get 5% increase if you take it up to this line here. So that is something I will be watching. But this is looking bullish too. If you want to really confirm this bull market, I would wait until it breaks outside this P wave and then break outside this fractal high here. So I'm gonna mark this fractal high here. Where is it at? Here it is. Must break fractal high. Ooh, there we go. There we go. All right, so this is what I'm looking for. I would trade this until it breaks here. Now, if it does break there, these will be the targets because it looks like it has a good chance right now looking at the smaller charts. Let's see. Fibonacci. There we go. Right here. These are your targets. And we could argue a bigger move than this, but this will be my first targets for the market. All right. That being said, that's what I have for you guys tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the TA tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed what is going on. Let me answer some questions first. What's the difference in cloud colors? Nothing. Oh, okay. The difference. Well, because I thought you were talking about according to my other chart because the other one's purple and blue, but for this one, my yellow cloud is bullish. My red clouds are bearish. That's the only difference. So if that's the case, yeah, that's the only difference. But this is why the cloud here is saying we're bullish. That's why I'm leaning towards the market going up. Now, as far as okay, as far as let me see, active support. Okay, I'm trying to look at all these what all these conversations all about. It confused me for a while too. Yeah, Cash changed his color layout. So when it's in the cloud and when it's in the red cloud, it's bear. Yes, when it's a red cloud, it's considered bearish. But I'm gonna get into that a lot more. I'm gonna have a special live stream for my new students because I do know that y'all are y'all are completely new to this. Because I'm trying to give new students a fair chance because most of the students that I have now they actually been with me for at least 6 months to a year or if not more. So yeah, I don't want y'all to be behind, and even if y'all are behind, it's fine because I just teach basics anyway, and you could make money off basics. But yeah, because when I talk about certain things in class, the new students they just get quiet. So I want to do something special for y'all because I do know y'all have some y'all are intimidated by the charts. You said the Discord link is not working. What is it? What do you mean it's not working? Are you talking about the Discord link on in the chat box? I mean, not the chat box. The Discord link in the man. What is it called? The in the community section or in the the description. Okay, that one. Okay, I'll just put one up right now. That one that you see that's in the description. That's for open. That's an open one. That's for anybody to join. Now the one that I personally have, let me actually put it in right now. If you want to be a part of if you want to be part of the open group, let me go ahead and get that link out. What? Link invite. All right. Well, anyway, here it is. I don't know why it did that, but that's very interesting. Yeah. So I'm about to send you the link. This group is for anybody to join. Now, the other one is strictly students. So there it is right there. All right, but yeah, like I said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. If you want to be students, uh, let me know. You could hit the join button and hit the CloudLife membership. Now, if you want to just become a member of this channel, you'll still get exclusive content, but there's different levels to the membership on this channel. Have 3 memberships. There's just a small one that's just to be a part of the channel, and then there's a actual group just for students to learn and trade the charts, where I give you trades and setups on how to read and educate you on how to trade the charts as well. So XRP Caroline, I appreciate you for joining the stream. Francisco, all my new students, I appreciate y'all for being on here tonight. Jeff, that's the link for you. I appreciate you for being on here tonight. Anybody else that I missed, I appreciate you all for being on here tonight. You guys, I definitely want to give you guys the best content out there. I definitely want to help you guys grow as not just investors, but also to be, good at anything that you do. And I'm going to be praying for you guys tonight. And I'm sweating because the spirit's about to take over right now. That's why I said it's time to get off. But you guys, it's time that you not just focus on your financial life, but also on your spiritual life. God said wealth is responsibility. Wealth is not just about finances. Wealth is more than finances. This is something that I always need to bring up. Wealth is it's to glorify God. It's to bring him glory and not us glory. And this is something that I'm going to be teaching as well, because wealth is a mindset as well, and it's a responsibility as far as taking care of your body, taking care of your finances, taking care of your and managing your time responsibly, being responsible for your relationship with Jesus Christ and the Father, being responsible with your social status, if you're using your social status to promote God or to promote, self, yourself. So you have to be responsible with what God gives you, so you could be, so He could bless you with more. He says, "To whom much is given, much is required." So the more that you're responsible for, the more that's required out of you. So, you guys, this is something I always have to, tell you guys. But I'm glad that the Lord is using me to teach on this, because my last name literally means God's wealth, which is very ironic. So it's funny. But you guys, take care. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Francisco, I appreciate you too. 2 streams in one day. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do 2 streams in a day. Uh, Live streaming will be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and then I'm thinking about doing Sunday as well. So I'll be doing live streams uh, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'm thinking about Sunday as well. So once again, you guys, not all my live streams are gonna be on trading, and I'm going to also do Bible studies too, live streams. So prepare for Bible study live streams, if and just if you miss church or something, or if you want to just hear a word from God that He gives me, I'll definitely do live streams as well. So once again, you guys, God bless you guys. I will see you guys in the next live stream. Y'all take it easy. Y'all be praying tonight, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream. All right. God bless and peace.